Look up at the night sky, it's filled with stars. Each star is a sun, just like our own. Now imagine this, what if some of those stars have planets orbiting them, planets like Earth? Could there be life out there? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. Are we alone in this vast universe? For a long time, we could only wonder. But things have changed. Scientists have developed incredible tools and techniques to search for planets beyond our solar system. These planets are called exoplanets, and they hold the key to answering one of humanity's biggest questions. The universe is incredibly vast. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions of galaxies. Join me on this exciting journey as we explore how scientists are searching for life on exoplanets and the incredible discoveries that await us. So, what exactly are exoplanets? Imagine our solar system with its familiar planets. We have planets like Earth, Mars, Jupiter, all orbiting the Sun in a harmonious dance. Exoplanets are similar to these, but they orbit other stars far, far away from our own solar system. They are like distant cousins to our planets, each with their own unique characteristics and mysteries. Finding these exoplanets is no easy task. It requires patience, precision, and advanced technology. They are incredibly far away and very faint compared to their host stars, making them difficult to detect. Imagine trying to spot a tiny firefly next to a giant spotlight. That's how challenging it is. That's the challenge astronomers face every day as they scan the skies. But scientists are clever. They've developed ingenious methods to detect these hidden worlds despite the odds. One way is called the transit method, which is both fascinating and effective. Imagine an exoplanet passing in front of its star, like a tiny eclipse that briefly dims the star's light. This transit causes a slight dip in the star's brightness, a telltale sign that a planet is orbiting it, hidden in plain sight. Another method uses the wobble of a star, a subtle but detectable movement. The gravity of an orbiting planet makes the star slightly wobble, a dance influenced by unseen partners. By observing this wobble, scientists can infer the presence of an exoplanet, revealing the secrets of distant worlds. Imagine finding an exoplanet that looks like Earth rocky, the right size and at the right distance from its star for liquid water. That would be exciting. Such a discovery would spark immense curiosity and hope. But the real question is, how do we determine if this distant world harbors life? But how do we know if it has life? One way is to look at its atmosphere. The atmosphere can tell us a lot about the planet's potential to support life. Earth's atmosphere is unique because of life. It has been shaped and altered by the presence of living organisms over billions of years. Plants and algae produce oxygen. This oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis, a process that converts sunlight into energy. Animals breathe oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. This exchange of gases is a fundamental aspect of life on Earth. These gases, along with others like methane, create a specific chemical signature that wouldn't exist without life. Methane, for instance, is often produced by biological processes. Scientists can analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets by observing the light that passes through them. This light carries information about the gases present in the atmosphere. Each gas in the atmosphere absorbs specific wavelengths of light, creating a unique fingerprint. These fingerprints can be detected and analyzed. By studying these fingerprints, scientists can determine the composition of an exoplanet's atmosphere. This helps us understand the potential for life on these distant worlds. Finding gases like oxygen and methane together would be a strong indication of possible life. These gases, when found together, suggest biological activity. The search for life on exoplanets is similar. We need to consider all the evidence before drawing any conclusions. It's a meticulous process that requires careful analysis and collaboration among scientists. When searching for life on other planets, scientists look for specific signs called biosignatures. Think of them as clues that hint at the presence of living organisms. We've talked about atmospheric gases like oxygen and methane, but there are other biosignatures too. For example, the presence of complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it, would be a strong indicator. Imagine finding amino acids, the components of proteins, in the atmosphere of an exoplanet. On Earth, plants use chlorophyll to absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. If we detect the signature of chlorophyll in an exoplanet's atmosphere, it could suggest the presence of plant-like life. Detecting these biosignatures is incredibly challenging. It requires extremely sensitive instruments and careful analysis. Finding even the faintest hint of life on another planet would be a monumental discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is the most powerful space telescope ever built. It represents a monumental leap in our ability to explore the cosmos, far surpassing its predecessors. It's like a giant golden eye in space, peering into the distant universe. Its mirrors are designed to capture the faintest glimmers of light from the farthest reaches of space. The JWST is a game-changer for exoplanet research. It allows scientists to delve deeper into the mysteries of planets beyond our solar system. Its advanced instruments allow us to study exoplanet atmospheres in unprecedented detail, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. Remember the light fingerprint we talked about? This technique is crucial for understanding the composition of distant worlds. The JWST can analyze this fingerprint with incredible precision, allowing scientists to identify even the faintest traces of gases and molecules that might indicate life. This level of detail is unprecedented. The JWST can also observe exoplanets directly, something that was nearly impossible with previous technology. It has a special instrument called a coronagraph that blocks out the blinding light of a star, allowing us to see the faint glow of planets orbiting around it. This innovation opens up new possibilities for discovery. With the JWST, we can study the atmospheres of exoplanets in ways we could only dream of before. This telescope is truly a window into other worlds. The JWST is a treasure trove of information, revolutionizing our understanding of exoplanets and the search for life beyond Earth. Its contributions to science will be felt for generations to come. The James Webb Space Telescope is just the beginning. Scientists are already developing new, even more powerful telescopes and instruments for the future. Imagine telescopes that can take actual pictures of exoplanets, revealing surface details like continents, oceans, and maybe even signs of cities. One exciting mission on the horizon is the Large Ultraviolet Optical Infrared Surveyor, or LUVOIR. These future missions represent the next chapter in our quest to answer the fundamental question, are we alone? The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time. It's a journey into the unknown, driven by curiosity and a desire to understand our place in the universe. We live in an age of incredible discovery. Thanks to the ingenuity of scientists and engineers, we have the tools to explore the cosmos like never before. The James Webb Space Telescope and future missions like LUVOIR hold immense promise. They are our eyes and ears in the vast expanse of space, allowing us to peer into the atmospheres of distant worlds and search for the telltale signs of life. The universe is full of wonder and possibilities. Every new exoplanet we discover brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? The adventure is just beginning.